This is the dash of an Ottawa Kalmar. This one is a 2013. And this is how to swap out some of the lights if they're burnt out. Not everything has a light behind it. These two whatsoever. This one does, most of these do. And it's gonna be one of two lights. This bottom one here is a 293 style. And this top one is a 194. Most of the screws, if not all of them, if it is stock, are gonna be T25s. And these right here, you pop right out. To push them in, I can't do it with one hand, but you basically push up and turn over. That little nub right there will come out and it'll pop. Be careful putting those back in. The whole thing just snaps in. And the other more difficult one is one down here for that there. You get back here, you've got to turn this, and it's a little plastic nub that pops off. Looks like that. This right here turns counterclockwise and then pops off. So that is the one that is in the bottom of that. And you can see the two contact points right there. Get that right there. Make sure it's touching both pieces of the metal. You can get this a little cockeyed and it won't fit perfectly. You'll get it in, but it'll eat up the plastic. So make sure to get that back in, turn it, and then put that backing piece back on. And when you are all done, turn it on and test it, and then go ahead and put these screws back on. And that is how to get to those and replace them. I hope that helped somebody.